Hey guys, we're going to solve a couple more problems involving distance equals rate times time. Okay, so for the first one it says Count Dracula drove 225 miles today at an average speed of 75 miles per hour. How long did Count Dracula drive for? Okay, so you're going to use the formula distance equals rate times time. So we'll go back to the problem. Our 225, that's definitely your distance. Average speed, 75 miles per hour, that's our rate. And how long would be the time? So we're just basically solving a one-step equation. The only way you can mess this up if you plug them in the wrong spot. So for the distance is 225. Our rate is 75, and then T for time. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is solve for T. 75 times T, or which is our unknown, is equal to 225. So we'll use inverse operations and divide both sides by 75 to isolate my variable. So T equals 225 over 75. So that's really a long division problem, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it simplify it using a ratio table. No matter how you do it, you're going to still end up with the same answer. I'm going to divide both by 5, or scale down both by dividing by 5. And then I'm going to go 75 divided by 5. Oh, what does that give me? 15. Okay. And then I'm going to go 225 divided by 5, which will give me 45. I know that I can scale down again and divide both by 5. And it becomes 9 over 3. Ooh, which is really nice because now we know 9 divided by 3 will simplify to just 3. So my time would be 3. 3 hours, and we know that because of here, miles per hour. So I really should have included my units. 3 hours. All right, let's do another one. Wicked Witch of the West traveled 10 hours by broom at an average rate of 125 miles per hour. Like I said, the first thing you want to do is write down your formula. It's just a one-step equation. I see a lot of teachers use the triangle. I think it's fine, but you've been doing equations in 6th grade. I mean, maybe even 5th. So travel 10 hours, well, that's our time. Average rate of 125 miles per hour, well, that's our rate. And so we're just, how far, that's your distance. So all we're going to do is plug them in. You use this in math and science. 125, and then 10, and then using your, and that one's, I hate to say pretty easy, but it really is. It's just, we get told just add a 0. It's multiplying by 10 causes you to move the decimal 1 over. That's another video, but 1,250 miles. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped.